Hi guys, I'm right here in Wyoming, Casper, Wyoming. We're just back from a trip from South Dakota, and I appreciate all the likes and views I got on my last video and all the subscriptions. We are way over 100 right now, which is great. Never thought about that. We'll get that many, so thank you for subscribing and viewing the channel. One of my subscribers told me he would like to see the screens in the car when you start the vehicle, what they look like, you know, the graphics that are on them. And so this is a little update on that. I'll just turn on the vehicle and show you what it looks like when you do that. Also, while being in South Dakota, there were buffaloes blocking the road, and one of the buffaloes, he rubbed his head on the car right here on the front, which he didn't leave a scratch. He just slobbered it. And if you look really close right here, can you see that? There's still some buffalo slobber or something wet on it. Here, maybe there's a better angle. You can see right there. So I don't think there are any scratches. If there are, they're minor and they'll buff out. Okay, let's hop in and let's have a look at those screens. All right, look here at the dash. I opened the door, and this is the screen you see, which is really nice. There's some mountains on the highway. Shut the door, and it should disappear in just a second. Let's see what it does. Let's see how long it lasts and what it will do. I'll go a little closer. There. Oh, it stays on for a while. There we go, turns black. We'll start the car. Nothing fancy there. We'll get right to our normal mode drive screen there. Okay, you can see the gas mileage, 23 mpg right now. That's fully loaded, and there were a lot of ups and downs on the road. Okay, let's see the middle screen. It's on. We'll turn the vehicle off, see what it does. Nothing. Open the door. There we go. Another nice mountain view there, and it says Explorer in it, and it fades. Let's try just try it the opposite way. Closing the doors, opening the doors. Nope, nothing. Let's maybe lock it. Unlock it. Open the door. Nope, that doesn't work either. Let's see what it does when we turn the vehicle on. It comes right up. Interesting. Try that one more time. Turn it off. This time we'll go out. Lock it. Unlock it. Have this one here. I don't see anything here. Turn it on. It didn't show me anything this time, so I'm not sure what it's supposed to do, what it's not supposed to do. But anyhow, I'll keep an eye on that. If I find out anything, I'll let you look at that. We got the mountains again. Yeah, oh well. Yeah, if I find out anything else, if there are any other updates about this Explorer, I'll let you know. So have a good day, have a good night, and thanks for watching.